MG Cyberster GT EV Roadster, electrifying the past, charging toward the future. When MG halted US imports of the beloved MGB in 1980, few could have predicted the twists and turns that lay ahead for the brand. After decades of shifting ownership, MG is now part of Chinese automaker SAIC Motor, a company primarily known for producing family-friendly cars. But with the launch of the MG Cyberster, a sleek, all-electric two-seat roadster, the brand is tapping back into its high-performance roots. As MG's first roadster since the MGTF was discontinued in 2011, the Cyberster boldly reinvents the spirit of classic MG sports cars for the modern EV era. Priced at $54,995, $71,300 for the base trophy model, the Cyberster squares off against the Porsche 718 Boxster. We drove the range-topping GT version, priced at $59,995, $70,800, positioned between the Boxster and Boxster S in the UK. Unlike Porsche, which offers an extensive menu of pricey options, MG keeps it simple. Optional extras are limited to paint and soft top color, and every Cyberster comes with a 7-year warranty as standard. Performance-wise, the Cyberster GT delivers serious punch. With dual motors, all-wheel drive, and a robust 503 horsepower, the car accelerates with vigor despite its hefty 4376-pound weight. The bulk is mainly due to its 74.4 kWh lithium-ion battery, which supports 144 kilo rapid charging and delivers a WLTP-rated range of 276 miles, around 230 miles per EPA standards. During real-world testing, we achieved 2.5 miles per kilowatt over 198 miles, resulting in a usable range of 186 miles. Visually, the Cyberster is a showstopper. Designed under the leadership of Carl Gotham at SAIC's London Design Studio, it combines retro cues with futuristic flair. The front features a shark-like nose reminiscent of the Jaguar F-Type, while the sculpted sides and arrow-shaped LED taillights hint at the Mazda MX-5 Miata, and even McLaren influences. The scissor doors add an eye-catching flourish, while the car's long, low profile conveys the seriousness of a true roadster. With its dynamic styling, impressive power, and subtle nods to MG's sporting past, the Cyberster is more than just another EV, it's a bold statement about where the brand is headed. MG has brought its iconic roadster DNA into the electric age, and it's doing so with a powerful combination of speed, style, and heritage.
Cyberster, style meets floss. At first glance, the interior of the MG Cyberster appears sleek and modern, with key touchpoints, like the gear selector panel, offering a reassuringly premium feel. However, the cabin falls short when compared to the material quality of rivals like the recently retired Jaguar F-Type or the still reigning Porsche Boxster. The infotainment system, though visually striking, isn't particularly user-friendly. Issues include a navigation screen partially obscured by the steering wheel and a backup camera awkwardly positioned on the far right side of the dash, creating the odd impression of a side mirror view. Adding to the frustration are excessive warning chimes, which quickly become tiresome. Seating is another mixed experience. The leather-style seats are firm but offer minimal underthigh support, and taller drivers, especially those over 6 feet, may find themselves pushed uncomfortably close to the bulkhead. Headroom is also limited due to the battery placement beneath the seats, though lowering the fabric roof alleviates the issue. Fortunately, the roof can be opened or closed while driving at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, adding a bit of convenience. On the road, the Cyberster's dynamic performance is something of a roller coaster. MG claims that 18 months were spent fine-tuning the suspension to handle Britain's challenging roads, but initial impressions don't live up to the promise. The low-speed ride feels jarring, and creaks from the cabin's rear sections detract from the experience. Steering lacks precision around the center, leaving drivers disconnected from the road, a disappointing trait in a car that aims to revive MG's sporty roots. Things improve as speed increases. The Cyberster offers 3 distinct powertrain modes: Comfort, Sport, and Super Sport, plus a customizable setting. Performance is ample in all modes, but Super Sport, activated by a bright red button on the steering wheel, unleashes blistering acceleration. In this mode, the Cyberster rockets forward with the explosive energy of a baseball flying out of a stadium, delivering the kind of raw speed that can leave passengers breathless. While the MG Cyberster shows flashes of brilliance, especially in its top-speed thrills, it struggles to deliver a cohesive and consistently refined driving experience. Despite the tremendous zing immediately under your right foot, throttle travel is well calibrated, as is the brake pedal and the least aggressive of the 4 Regan settings. The Brembo braking system's pads start to stink quickly. However, given the weight and speed, they must rein in. The ride also loses its low-speed jitters, settling into something altogether more long-striding and supple. Vagueness on center never leaves the steering and conspires with a synthetic feel reluctant to communicate grip levels, but at least Sport mode adds extra weight to lean into. The steering ratio itself is also pleasingly direct, and the rear axle is nicely connected as it follows promptly behind, allowing the MG to flow cohesively into bends after a little body roll. Traction and stability control intervene as crudely as a needle slipping off a record, but unshackle it from its electronic menders, and the Cyberster reveals a nimble side, helpfully adjusting its line if you lift the throttle mid-corner, also understeering when you're too greedy and too early with the throttle. Attack a sequence of mid-speed bends. The Cyberster proves devastatingly rapid, mostly composed, and neutrally balanced. Grippy, too, on its Pirelli P0PZ4 tires. But issues persist, including a rear axle that, while laterally well connected, feels underdamped and takes several vertical movements to bring the battery's low-set mass back under control. Neither is the Cyberster the most refined roadster at a top-up 70 miles per hour cruise. Its combination of road and wind noise raising the decibel count inside the cabin. All things considered, the Cyberster's ace card is undoubtedly its exterior design. This roadster delivers masses of speed, a good deal of capability, and a large helping of entertainment, but the ultimate precision and engagement we expect from a true sports car proves elusive. Given the next-gen Porsche Boxster will also be available in electric form, the MG's shortcomings are only likely to be revealed in sharper relief. With MG planning an assembly plant in Mexico, it's possible that the brand might one day return to selling cars stateside. If that were to happen, the Cyberster would be the model that best aligns with Americans' now hazy image of MG.